Welcome. I am Evelyn. I'm on Udemy teaching the writing, the book from the scratch, editing, advertising, formatting, and everything you would need about writing a book. Now I'm going to show you how I do it, writing a book from the scratch until I publish it on the Amazon KDP. So I'm using ChatGPT as artificial intelligence. So I would advise you to use it because it will make your life easy. But first you have to sign up in ChatGPT to use it. There. Now let's go and check how I do it. But you still need to edit the AI because sometimes it can give the mistakes there and there. So let's go and look how I do it. How I do it. Don't be slow. Let's say I want to write a book about. Let's write a book about the kids, ne? The kids mess. Let's say mess. Preschool. Yeah. Just click enter on my keyboard and wait for the ChatGPT to just check. Now I'm showing you. So do the same. You see? Now the ChatGPT or the AI, artificial intelligence, is now searching for the math or preschoolers. You see? Teaching math to preschoolers focuses on introduction basics and so on. It's the writing. As you can see, it's giving me even the chapters. I must follow or base my books on my book on. You see now, this is the introduction. Then the math concept for preschoolers. Number 1 is counting and numbers. Number 2, under counting and numbers, you've got lady to count from 1 to 10 or 20. Recognizing and writing numbers. Understanding quality and numbers relationship, for example, more or less. Then number 2 is shape and geometry. Number 3, patterns and sorting. Simply addition and subtraction. Number 4, number 5, measurement and comparisons. So I've got 5 chapters for my book now. Now you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to highlight all this and right click and copy. Let's say I'm going to paste it to MS Word so I can easily edit my book there and see the spelling the way I want it to be formatted. I come here and open a new MS Word, or you can even write inside the Canva, but sometimes I use Canva, sometimes I use MS Word and turn it into PDF. But under Canva is much easier because when sharing or when downloading, you select just PDF, then you are done. So now let's say I'm using the Word. Now I right click here and I paste the documents I copied from there. Yes, you see, that is why I said sometimes it makes the mistakes like this font. We don't need it. You just delete it. Let's say I want to change this font type or font size is smaller. I just highlight Control A on the keyboard and then come here. Maybe increases to 16 because this book is going to be for the preschoolers. They need, you see, maybe I like another font type. Maybe I don't like this New Roman. I would like to change another, or I need to change the font type. Now I change the font size. I'm going to font type. I'm editing my book now. See? Let's go. Let's turn that side down. Maybe I need this one, or you just check. I choose this button. Then I say save. I don't want my document to go away, so I must save it, because when uploading it on Amazon KDP, it is going to ask me the name of the file, the location, and so on. So I need to rename my documents. Maths for preschoolers is okay. Let's see the file location. Let's put it on there. You see, this is my book. I'm just showing you the samples, how I do it from the scratch. So you do the same, because writing by your head, you can take many years, many times. So I don't want to take a long time to write the book, but then I don't have to write, so I can produce a quality book, because the quality book is the one selling on Amazon KDP. So you don't have to rush, and because you might get the bad reviews, and once you get the bad reviews, people are not going to buy a book, because they buy the books according to the reviews sometimes. You see, most of the time, most of the time, they buy the books from there, from the best reviews. So that's how you use ChatGPT. You see? So easy, just like that. Let's say now I want ChatGPT to give me the chapters in counting and numbers. I just highlight there, rightly copy, then paste it here, where the cursor is picking there. Then I paste it. Then now I say, I'm telling the ChatGPT what to do. Counting and numbers for preschooler. Remember, you are doing the book for preschooler. Then I just say enter and wait for ChatGPT to give me what I need. Why are you taking so long? Then let's come here and see what the ChatGPT is doing. You see, it's giving me that counting and numbers. Now I'm making my books. I'm building my books using the ChatGPT. You can use any AI, but you'll have to edit at the end, so your book doesn't have the mistakes, because sometimes the AI makes mistakes. Then I come here again, highlight the whole of this, and right-click copy, go to MS Word, but it seems okay. It's now okay. I go to another page and right-click and paste. You see, I'll put all those chapters to build the book now. Let's go back while waiting here. Okay. Yeah, okay. Now, you see, now there is this box and the auto. We don't need it. Like I told you, you don't have to edit your book. And that's our book, and we save. So we don't want to lose data there. This is our book. You can see now we set our book here. The font size is 16, then Botomi Amchi. It should be the same. So right click again here, or you can just put all the chapters at the end. You just press Ctrl A on your keyboard, and then you do what? You just change at the same time. But I'm just showing you, because I'm not going to write every chapter there. I'm just showing you here. You see? That's it. Then we save. We always save the changes we made. This is our ChatGPT. And let's say I want to, or I can even go further. No problem. Let's continue. Let's write this book. I want to show you step by step. We're in chapter 2. Let's go chapter 3. Chapter 3. Sarah. On patterns and sorting. You saying again? ChatGPT. For schooler, don't forget to write the preschooler. Because you should know. Typing now. Waiting for ChatGPT to do the job for us. Let's see. It's now doing. It's now writing. Patterns and sorting for preschoolers. Yeah. As you can see, it's giving us the answer. It's now writing the books. So you can write the book with AI within minutes. But it's going to take time when you are editing, checking word by word if the things are correct there. We go again, same process. Right click again, copy, go to MS Word, put it there again, paste it there, and remove this photo. We don't need it. And now let me end here. For you have seen how we copy and paste. Remember, it should be the same font type, same font size. And then say it. Now the MS Word is showing us now if this font size and this font type, we've got 4 pages. So in order to publish, I would advise you to make at least 79 pages. So you can publish the ebook, the paperback, the hardcover without any hindrance on KDP. So wait. MS Word is still taking time to save. You can even, let's say now I want the kids playing, or the kids, or the preschooler. The preschooler image. The ChatGPT can give us even the image of their preschooler. Let's try it and see. Sometimes it refuses. Sometimes it just gives you the image of that what you are looking for. You just tell the ChatGPT, okay, it's going to produce the image, I hope. And we will see that ChatGPT can do the miracle, can do the wonders, and so on. So let's go see if the word still saving. Why are you taking no? I don't know. But then let's come here and see the ChatGPT. We ask you, wait, where do you want to go? How you want to do that? Let's keep seeing if the network is doing well now. Let's say exit, we'll reload the page. We will sometimes the data might get lost, but sometimes it will give us. Let's now do reload. ChatGPT. We ask you to give you the image of the preschoolers, so we can know not that we've got the nice picture like when we are doing the cover page and so on. Let's go and keep on watching if word is done safely. Yeah, now the word is done safely. Okay. So after doing this, you can even highlight this and maybe increase the size like this. Just increase the size. So, because this is the heading. Decrease it. Maybe we change this the font type here. but this should be, yeah, this way. You can even change the font color the way you want. The way you want. That's good. Okay. You're always safe. So this is so nice. You see, we can even use this maybe in our cover book. Let's go to Canva now. Let's say now I want to create. I've told you I can even make the book from the Canva. Now I was showing you that I can do the book using the ChatGPT to search for whatever info I need and go paste it on the MS Word. Let me show you how I do it on the Canva. So if you can do the same. Now you'll have to sign up first to use the Canva. Sign up, then log in, and now you can use it, Canva, to do the page number, not page number, the page cover. The page cover, the videos, I'm writing the books in here sometimes, most of the times, because it's so dreamy writing the books here. The Canva will do you so many things. So I would advise you, now we're about to do the book cover. I selected the book cover on Canva.com. Remember I said you'll have to sign up first on Canva.com. So now it's opening for me. It's now opening for me. So I can paste that page or that preschooler image here. I right click here and just paste that preschooler image here because I want it to be on my book cover. You see, this is it. Then I can increase it. Wonderful. See, let's say I want it to be here. I'm creating a book cover now. And now I'm going to put the info here and tell the people what this is about. And it's increase the size. And take this here. Math. Let's say we name our, I will show you how we release on Amazon Kindle. How we set for the title that will work. Now let's say name it Math Workbook for Preschooler. See? It should be good, right? Make an outstanding. Remember, we said the selling book on Amazon are the eye-catching. So make it the eye-catching. Just play with this. Let's decrease the line spacing. And the line settings. All right. Much better. Let's say now I want to change the font color, but it should be shown clearly. Oh wow, it matches, right? Let's see if we change this to the white. See, between the white and the black. I do suggest. I think black is much better. You see. All right. Then we've made our book cover on Canva. I've shown you how to write the book from the scratch using the AI. Now we've got the ready-made. You just say share, then download, PNG and JPG will work when uploading on Amazon KDP. It will go there. Now it is downloading, as you can see here. It's downloading. Again, let's download it. Save using it was PNG. Now let's go for JPG, because in paperback it allows the JPG or PNG in hardcover and in ebooks, so we don't struggle when we reach there. You can see they are there in my downloads, show in folder. They're under the downloads. Now you'll see them on my computer. I hope you still understand how we do it, writing the book from the scratch using the AI, and then editing the book, formatting the book the way you want, writing the book. This is you see, when uploading, we will just upload it from the downloads. We are done here with the Canva. Oh, I wanted to show you again once on Canva. There are many templates here. You can even use these templates, but I would advise you, let's say now, sometimes I write the books here, and when I write the books here, you can just change here and continue with that cover and put it. I need the white one now, the white background, you see. Then I just do text. I put the text and write. Now I'm writing my book. So let's go there. Let's say 59 is too much. I need 20. Let's press OK. Then I write. Let's take it up there. Then just select there. Right. Welcome. So maybe to e-learning for preschooler. And you can turn the alignments here. Right click, this is the alignment, right alignment, left alignment, centered, and so on. So yeah, and you can bullet just right. And it's centered. You can let here. La 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 la. Without showing you how to do it. Let's say you don't need it to be on bold. You can just click on bold here, and maybe you want to increase the size. But don't cross like this, because the Amazon guidelines and or the terms and conditions for publishing, they are going to say, oh no, you can't print this because the text is out of borders. So you have to make sure it's still inside the borders like this. That's how we do it. Then at the end, you just go there, share, then you download your print there, and you put let's come here. Let me show you. Yeah, let's say now I go to insert, then the page numbers, or you can even insert the page numbers on PDF. That's the way you want. Maybe I want the page numbers to be like this. If I put what is this? Inside the page numbers at the bottom. Let's say at the bottom like this one. Yeah, I see. These are the page numbers. We've got our page numbers now. We've got our 4 page numbers. So just like this. Let's go back. Now let's go to Amazon. I'm on my campaigns here. We'll go later on my campaigns, but I'm just showing you how we do it on Amazon. You'll have to open or sign up on Amazon seller. Uh, you have to sign up on Amazon. Sign up on Amazon. Then sign up as a seller. So come here. Then you sign in. You sign in. Then now we need to do what? To publish the book. We are on Amazon. Suppose you have already signed on Amazon. We just open Amazon.com and click on seller button. Then you'll fill up the forms I will show you later. Now let's go on Bookshelf. Here, now we are to upload the book we just made. Now you just go to create. Let's say we want to create the ebook. We can start with the ebook. We can start with the paperback, and later on we'll turn it into that paperback to ebook or hardcover. Let's start with the ebook. There, here, you decide language. Choose the primary language your book is written in. When you choose here, English, German, there are many languages here you choose. So I'm choosing English myself because I know English. I don't know those other languages. Then the book title. Enter your title as it appears on the book cover. If you add a subtitle, a colon being inserted between the title and subtitle. Before continuing, check your spelling since this field cannot be updated after publication. Book title guidelines. You can look here to look for book title guidelines. I'll go there later. Our book. Let's go and check how our book. We name it Math Workbook or Preschooler. You can even leave this subtitle because it's optional and continue. A series or what? No, now we don't need to add it to a series. We'll go back later. Then addition number. The addition number is optional. You can leave it. Then your name is a must. Since I'm always publishing, so it knows my name. You can even put yours, no problem. And then if there are contributors, people who help you to develop the book, you can add their names as well here. If now no one, you just made the book yourself, just leave it as it is and you'll continue. Now the description or summary or summarize your book. This will be your product description on Amazon. So customers can learn more about your book. How do you add? Let's go again to ChatGPT. We're going to tell ChatGPT. Now they need summary for locking again. Really? Why did you lock me out? Oh. It needs me to log in again. I don't know why it is taking me out. Oh gosh. Continue my Google account. Lily James. Card at some. I did not log out, but then you have to log in again so you can use ChatGPT. Small phrase. Now opening, I hope. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Are you asking me too many questions? Maybe I've used it a lot, so it's it is embed, it is embed. Open, it's now opening. Yeah, what can I help you with? Summarize